is Kristín Vala Ragnarsdóttir. I'm currently a professor of sustainability science at the University of Iceland. For the past 4 years I have been the Dean of Engineering and Natural Sciences, and before that I was a professor at the University of Bristol for 20 years. Everything is growing exponentially and we can only make value out of natural resources through work, and now we're coming to the end of the resources that we have been building our economic systems on. So therefore there is a need for a complete rethink of how we live on our little planet. Well, the challenges are many, and because at the moment we are seeing that the ecosystems are becoming unstable. There's climate change that everybody's talking about, which is a symptom of all the problems that we have. And we are in a period of mass extinction, so biodiversity loss is now very rapid, with more than 10,000 species going extinct every year. We need to provide incentives to restore ecosystems across the world, because without stable ecosystems we do not really have a hope to live on the planet. We need to include nature in the cost of items that we buy in the shop, which is called internalized externalities that you all understand. And we need to learn to protect the nature that is now still pristine. Hey Isaac, halló Isaac. Við sendum ykkur kveðju frá Íslandi.